Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a little bit more personal. I'm going to talk to you about hair removal. I told you it's going to get personal. I have been using laser hair device from Ulike, and it's called Air 10, and it permanently removes any unwanted hair, and it actually works. I really love this device so much, and I'm so happy that I found this product that I wanted to share it with you guys as well. I'm going to hook you up with a promo code, so stick around. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my newest videos. Let's talk about what makes this so special. Air 10 is the first IPL with innovative dual light technology. This is the most advanced IPL hair removal device. It's also FDA cleared for the entire body. It offers noticeable hair reduction in only 2 weeks, with long-lasting effects for both men and women. It also has an upgraded ice cooling technology feature that's safe and effective to use at home. Here's how it works. When the device emits pulses of intense pulsed light to target the hair follicles, it generates heat. This heat can sometimes cause discomfort, but with this specific technology, it ensures that the treated area remains consistently cool throughout the whole session, minimizing any discomfort. It basically helps keep the skin cool and comfortable during your IPL process. As you can see, the Air 10 has a sleek design and so easy to use. It comes with a long power cord, eye protection, razors, cloth bag to keep it protected. So basically it has everything you need. So if you're tired of constantly shaving or waxing like I was, and you want long lasting results, I highly recommend giving the Air 10 device a try. Ulike stands behind their products, and they even offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. So why not try it? And if you get it now, you'll be ready for the summer. I'll leave a link in the description below, along with the promo code that I was able to get for you guys. But it's only for a limited time, so hurry before it's gone. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.